Cloud Computing. Lecture 1. Today we will learn about Introduction to Cloud Computing, Benefits of Cloud Computing, Types of Cloud Computing Models, Cloud Computing Deployment Models, Cloud Computing Security, Cloud Computing Challenges, Cloud Computing Adoption, Cloud Service Providers, Cloud Computing Use Cases. Introduction to Cloud Computing. Introduction to Cloud Computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of on-demand computing services over the Internet. These services include servers, storage, databases, software, and analytics. It allows individuals and businesses to access and use computing resources as needed, without the need for physical infrastructure. Benefits of cloud computing. Cost-effective. Cloud computing eliminates the need for expensive hardware and software. Scalability. Resources can be scaled up or down based on the needs of the user. Flexibility. Users can access cloud services from anywhere with an internet connection. Types of cloud computing. Public cloud. Services are provided by third-party providers over the internet. Private cloud. Services are provided by an organization's own infrastructure. Hybrid cloud. A combination of public and private cloud services are used. Cloud computing models. Infrastructure as a Service IaaS provides virtualized computing resources over the Internet. Platform as a Service PaaS provides a platform for developers to build and deploy applications. Software as a Service SaaS provides access to software applications over the Internet. Cloud computing deployment models. Community cloud, shared by several organizations with similar needs. Public cloud, available to the general public. Private cloud, restricted to a single organization. Cloud computing security. Cloud providers are responsible for securing the cloud infrastructure. Users are responsible for securing their data and applications in the cloud. Encryption and access controls are commonly used to enhance cloud security. Cloud computing challenges. Reliance on internet connectivity can lead to downtime and slow performance, data privacy and security concerns, limited control over cloud infrastructure and services. Cloud computing adoption. Cloud computing adoption is increasing rapidly across industries. Small and medium-sized businesses are leading the adoption of cloud services. Cloud computing is expected to continue growing in popularity in the future. Cloud service providers. Amazon Web Services AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform. Cloud computing use cases. Data storage and backup, disaster recovery, software development and testing. Conclusion. Cloud computing is a transformative technology that is changing the way businesses operate. It offers numerous benefits, including cost savings, scalability, and flexibility. As cloud computing adoption continues to grow, users must be mindful of security and privacy concerns. Thanks for watching. Wait for more informative video.